knees. Gosh, other way around. Okay, 5. 5. This is the hardest part.
How are you making it? And then you will cut it out.
No, then I'll make flaps. And every single edge. And then I'll cut it out. And then I'll glue the flaps together. Except for the top lid flap. Oh no. Thank God you made me laugh. First I draw the flaps and then color it. Coloring is always the first one. Mono is so then you color the last and then you just you have to color it first. And then cut it out and then do it.
So basically you were telling me to make a chest. I thought you were making a chest.
Oh, now I get why you're so interested because you're recording.
I don't have so much time to record a foolish boy like you.
And why is your phone pointing at me?
I'm watching my video.
And why I tilted at a red angle? And why I acting as if you're watching the video? And why did you suddenly burst into such interest of looking like you? Just drawing flaps in every single edges because I don't know which one is there. But at the end, when it comes to like extra flaps, you can just chop them off. It doesn't really matter the shape. No flap. Can be wonky. And then flaps are done. Now I'm gonna color them in. Of your net is your like lid. So if you're doing a different net, it might be different to yours. But for mine is this because I'm gonna fold these two there and this will be my lid. So this flap I'm gonna make really good because this you can actually see. Only this one. And then you have to measure which side your lid closes on. And on that side you have to make the kind of front face of the chest. So in this case, my lid will close on this side. So I have to make a little like front area on the chest, like you do in Michael's chest. Just draw it like that, and then just make this little block in the middle. That'll clear up later. And first I have to get the right color out, so I'm gonna just test each color out in the corner of my page. I need sort of tannish color, but not too dark. I'm gonna show you the color that I choose at the end. So pause. This is red. Cut. I have a good feeling it's this color, but I have a bad feeling it's not this color. Oh, it's this, definitely this. Definitely this.
This whole mess needs to be clear, okay? I'm not clearing it out.
Yeah. I know you're not clearing it out. So I chose my color, which is an orangish, goldish, brownish something. and it's sort of this color, and I'm gonna come back when I do it. And it's like remember to do it like over the top so it looks like the Minecraft texture. Don't color this bit right now. Once you've done this, you can choose to measure this bit and do the same this to make it really precise. But I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna just do it like this. But just draw lines on these three, like this, and like this. Good. So now that I've done this, I'm gonna just cut the outlines, include all of the flaps for now. But then at the end, when you see some extras, you're gonna just cut it out. It's a mess. This will take a long time for the slow cutter like me. Okay, now that I've cut it. Okay, now that I've cut it out, I'm going to eliminate non-useful flaps by just folding it and just, yeah, so for example, this one you don't need because when you fold it, this flap goes here and you just glue it together, so you don't need a double flap. And just fold it together and like orientate it into your mind and think which flaps you can eliminate. Huh?
No?
Why are you not? Okay, I finally chalked off my flaps. And you have a lot of edges here, so I'm gonna just glue them together. For example, I'm gonna first you have to just fold it through these edges, and then once you've folded it, for example, if I just fold this edge through here, then just glue it with this face. Wow, I made it quite. So I'm sticking it together. I've already sticked the main bits of it. I'm using craft glue, which is a liquid form of glue, but you can use like a Pritt stick or whatever you want. So I'm just sticking it in. Make sure you don't put the glue over your coloring, otherwise it will ruin it. And make sure you fold it before you glue it. Okay, so now that I've done that, you can see the lid is a bit bouncy, so just push it towards like the inside and then just fold it like that, and then just put it back out, and there, your chest is ready. If you want to make it more sturdy, you can laminate it, which I will, but it's up to you. So this is how you make a Minecraft chest. See you in the next video.